Hello friends, I am Sumit Khillare from Team Debug Entity. Today I am going to give a presentation on our Smart India Hackathon project, Crop Guidance and Farmers Friend. This problem statement was given by CDK Global Company. We developed a web portal for farmers where they can see list of crops in their city, use random forest regression for predicting crops, and also we compared those results with previous year production to get more accuracy. Also, we have different sections like weather warning, pest prediction, etc. So let's start our server. Here you can see we are fetching weather data for different cities. We are fetching this data by using Open Weather API. So we are fetching this data after a gap of every 10 seconds. But in production level, it can be a gap of 3 to 4 days. If we get heavy rainfall or critical weather conditions, we may inform the farmer in that particular city with SMS notifications. So this was the part of weather forecasting in our project. So let's go to our web portal. Farmers first need to register to our website. They can register here. So I already registered, so I will directly log in. This is home page of our website. So there are different sections in our website. Let's go to weather section. Here farmers can see weather conditions in their city. Let's check weather conditions for Sangli city. So here you can see weather condition for Sangli city. Let's go to government scheme section. Here you can see different government schemes which will be added to our website admin. Let's see one of these scheme. So this is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana scheme. So here are different information like eligibility criteria, benefits, how to apply, documents required, and how to check beneficiary list. Also there is a market prices section. So let's go to that section. So here farmers can see prices for the crops in the market. These all prices and crops are for demonstration purpose, and admin can change this information from admin panel. Let's go to predict crop section. Here farmers can get list of crops which can be planted in their region. This list is generated by taking parameters like temperature, rainfall, soil pH, and we use random forest regression to predict crops. Let's predict the crop for Parbhani city in Kharif season. This list of crops is according to the yield of that particular crop. So sugarcane is the at first place has maximum yield than rest of all. Second maximum yield is for jawar crop, and so on. Farmers can also view crop information by clicking on view crop button. Here you can see information for that particular crop like sugarcane, requirements, the climate, soil, varieties, planting. Also we are predicting possible pest for crop based on classification model. So here you can see for possible pest for sugarcane in Parbhani is Panama wilt. Crop taken count in that area. Crop taken count is the count of farmers in that area who visited to this website and want to take this crop in their farm. We also set limit for taking crop which for demonstration purpose we kept as 2. So if crops taken count is 2 or more than 2, it will be shown in red color. So other farmers can see this plan and plan accordingly. Let's suppose I want to plant maize crop, then I will click on wilt plant button. Let's predict the crops again. So here you can see the crop taken count is raised by 1. So if the farmer with the same username again tries to increase the count, it will not increase, as it is for one username count is increased only at once. Predict pest is the section where farmers can get information for different pests according to their city and crop. So let's go to the predict pest section. So here you can say we have to select a district and enter the crop name. So let's select a district as Parbhani and crop name as Jawar. So let's predict pest. So as you can see, there is no pest in Parbhani city for Jawar crop. If suppose there comes a new pest for Jawar crop in Parbhani city, then farmer can go and add this pest in add pest section. So let's go to add pest section. Here farmer needs to enter the district name, then farmer needs to enter the crop name and the pest name, and then he needs to update it. Then we will keep this record, and according to weather conditions we will predict pest for that crop according to classification model. Let's go and predict pest now. Let's choose city as Parbhani and the crop name as Jawar. So here as you can see, it shows Jawar pest now. Previously it was showing no pest. But as the farmer updated the pest, then it is showing Jawar pest. Also, this website has support for multi-language. Let's go and choose Hindi language. So as you can see, the website will be translated in Hindi. Let's choose Marathi language. So the website will be translated in Marathi language. Now let's log in with the admin credentials. So this is the home page for admin panel. Let's go to admin panel. Here admin can add new schemes for farmers and it will be updated on the database. Then he can also see list of registered farmers on this website. Now let's go to the crop count section. So this is the section where admin can see which user planted which crop in the city if the user clicked on the wilt plant button. So previously, as I clicked on wilt plant button for the maize crop in Parbhani city, it is showing the entry here. Let's go back. So let's go to update market. So this is the section where website admin can update the rate of the particular crop in a particular market. So you can choose the district from here, then you can add the name of the market, then the name of the crop, and you can add the price, that is updated price. So website admin needs to update these prices as the prices got updated in the market. Now let's go for query resolution part of our project. So here farmer can register, the farmer can log in and go to ask a question. Then admin will log in. Here in the left hand side, user is going to ask a question. In the left hand side, user is going to ask a question like query 1, and then in the right hand side we are seeing the admin which is giving the answer for that query. So this is the query resolution part of our project, where farmers can ask a query and the website admins can answer their queries. Farmers will also get the messages after registration and after scheme updations or market price updations. So this is the sample message after registration process, and this is the scheme updation message. Farmers can also get the messages if there is a critical weather in their area. This is cost estimation for our project, and we are also thankful to Miss Aditi Shinde ma'am from Walchand College of Engineering Sangli for mentoring us. This is our team debug entity. Thank you for watching this video. GitHub link for the project is provided in description.